Wednesday, and then we'll have some time to get ready for the test. All right. You don't have to write this down. Just tell me, how many multiplications would you have to do? 2, right? 2x times x, 2x times 5. So 2 multiplications. What if I said this? How many multiplications would you have to do? 4. Because you have to go 2x times these 2 and minus 1 times these 2. So 4. Using that reasoning, how many multiplications do you think you'd have to do here? 6. Excellent. So we're going to have to take 2x multiplied by the 3 terms in the second set of parentheses, and then we're going to have to take 5 and multiply by everything. So it's going to look a little long. That's okay, you guys know how to do it. What's 2x times x squared? 2x to the third, right? Because this is the same as x to the first. So it's 2x to the third. What's 2x times 3x? 6x squared. 2x times minus 4. Negative 8x. Now we go back. 5 times x squared. 5x squared. 5 times 3x. 15x. And finally, 5 times negative 4. Minus 20. There's my 6 multiplications. Now we have to collect like terms. Remember, this is not exponent law. We're collecting common variables and exponents. Well, there's nothing to combine with 2x cubed. What about the x squareds? 6x squared and 5x squared make 11x squared. Oh, should be cubed. Should be cubed. 11x squared, so I got rid of those. How about the x's?
Negative 8x and 15x.
Which together make? Right? And then the only thing left is a minus 2. So we're done. Okay. This next one's a little crazy. How many multiplications? 8, 9, or 9? How'd you get 8? Well, I got to take this and multiply by the 3 in here, right?
Yeah.
And then I got to take this and multiply by the 3 in there. And then this multiplied by the 3 in there, which would give me 9. Yeah. So this is a lot of multiplying. So I got to go yoink, yoink, yoink. I'll use different colors. Yoink, yoink, yoink. And this. So there's a lot going on. All right, let's start with the blues. Negative 3p squared times 4p squared. Negative 12p to the fourth. Negative 3p squared times negative p, remember that's the same as p to the first. Negative or positive? Positive 3p to the third, good. Negative 3p squared times negative 6. Positive 18p squared. Okay, so we did the blues. Reds. 3p, remember this is 3p to the first. 3p times 4p squared. 12p to the third. 3p to the first times minus p.
Negative 3p squared.
Negative 3p squared, yes. 3p times minus 6.
Negative 8p squared.
P squared? Isn't there just one p here?
Yeah.
So it should be just negative 18p, right? Negative 2 times 4p squared. Positive or negative? Negative 8p squared, yes. Negative 2 times negative p.
Positive 2p.
Positive 2p. One more, we're almost done. Negative 2 times negative 6.
Positive 12.
Positive 12. Okay, we've got a lot of collecting to do here. Well, there's only one p to the fourth, and that's negative 12p to the fourth. How about the p cubes?
There's positive 3p cubed, and there's 12p cubed.
Which together make?
15p.
A lot of p squareds. I got 18, I got minus 3, and I got minus 8. So 18 minus 3, yeah, it's 7. That takes up p squareds. The p's.
Negative
6 or negative 8 plus negative 18 plus 2?
Oh, that's 18.
Negative, what's negative 18 plus 2?
Negative 16.
Negative 16p. And then we got a plus 12. So that's a big one. That was a big one. Okay. What's that? Yes, because we can't, remember, we could multiply these together. We can't add them if they have different exponents. So that's as far as you can go. Okay. This next one, and then I'm going to get you to do B on your own. I'm going to get you to try to B on your own. What does it mean to square something? And then what are you going to do with them? Right. It means to multiply by itself. When you see one like this, it does not mean you go TR squared plus 5t squared. It does not mean that. Students will often make that mistake. They'll think, oh yeah, I just square this, and I'm out. What it means is you got to take the whole binomial, TR plus 5t, and you got to multiply it by itself. How many multiplications? 4. Someone want to give it a shot? One, 2, 3, 4. 2r times 2r. What r squared? 4r squared, yes. 2r times 5t.
10t squared.
Not t squared.
Oh, t.
10rt or tr, it doesn't matter. You could say rt or tr, it still means the same thing. How about 5t times 2r? 10rt again. These are like terms. And what's 5t times 5t?
25 squared.
25t squared. And, well, there's no r squareds to collect. What's 10rt and 10rt? 20rt. So those combine, and then I just got a 25t squared left.
Same values. Squared.
I am?
Yeah. Oh, 20 t squared.
Nope. Wouldn't be squared because you're not multiplying them, you're adding them. Like what's 10x plus 10x? 20x, not 20x squared. What's 10t plus 10t? 20t. What's 10 smiley face plus 10 smiley face? 20 smiley face. Okay, I want you guys to try this one. See if you can do this one. Okay, I'm going to take the 3x and run it through the second step. I should get 12x squared minus 9xy plus 15x. That should be the first three multiplications. When I take the negative 2y and run it through the three terms, I get negative 8xy or yx, means the same. Plus 6y squared minus 10y. And now I collect like terms. Well, there's no x squareds to combine, it's just 12x squared. I've got a negative 9xy and a negative 8xy, which together make negative 17xy. Remember, it doesn't become squared. We're just combining them, we're not multiplying. And then everything else is different. All of these are, I can't combine any of those, so I just rewrite them. And I'm done. Okay. Okay, a couple more multipliers. I'm not going to do the last example. I'm not going to do exactly. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, this is a little crazy, but definitely doable. What am I doing with these two? What operation? Multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting. I'm multiplying. What am I doing with these two? Multiplying. What am I doing with the two answers? Adding. Okay, so do it in that order. Multiply those, add them at the end. That's proper order of operations. What you need to do though, and this is important, especially when it comes to subtraction, put your two answers to the multiplications in parentheses. Because you got to keep them together. How do we hold things together? Parentheses. All right, what's 2c times c?
2c squared.
2c squared. 2c times 5.
And c.
And c minus 3 times c
-3c,
and minus 3 times 5.
or -3.
Good.
Can we slow down just a minute?
Sure.
No,
What's that?
like not slow down, just like maybe just.
Okay, but you saw how I did the 4? Remember you do this?
Yeah.
Okay. So same thing here. What is C times minus 3C? C times minus 3C. Right. C times 1. Plain old C, right? Anything times 1 is itself. Minus 3 times minus 3C.
Positive 6c. Oh wait, yeah, positive 6c.
Positive 6. Remember, we're multiplying.
C. Wait.
Positive 9, right?
Oh, multiply. Sorry.
Yes, that's it. And finally, minus 3 times 1. Minus 3 times 1.
-3.
Minus 3. Thank you. Remember last year we talked about how to take out parentheses? That if there was a plus in front, nothing changed, right? If there was a minus in front, we had to change all the signs. Well, there's nothing in front here, so the signs aren't going to change. So I can take out the parentheses and just write these. There's a plus in front of this, so I don't change any signs. So I just keep writing the same thing. Minus 3c squared plus c plus 9c minus 3. Now let's combine. See, what do I get when I combine the c squares? 5? It's 2c squared minus 3c squared. Negative 1c squared or just negative c squared. Okay. That's okay. You guys are doing fine. This comes with practice. I got a whole bunch of c's. I got 4 c's I got to combine. Well, let's just look at the numbers. 10 minus 3 plus 1 plus 9. Almost 17. And then finally, minus 15 minus 3.
-18.
Good. And that's as far as we can go. So they look complicated, but you guys know the rules to do these things. You just got to be sharp when you do them because it's easy to make little mistakes. That's the thing with these things. I mean, think of how many, do you realize how many operations you did in this last question? You did 4, 8, and then you had to combine all of these, so you were doing at least 12 operations. That's a lot of work. Okay, last one. How do I write this out?
You're the whole final twice.
Yeah, 3x plus 2y times 3x plus 2y. So I haven't even started multiplying yet. I just wrote it out. So again, multiply, multiply, but this time subtract. And put your multiplication answers in parentheses. What do I get here when I do 4 multiplications?
9x squared.
9x squared
Plus 3xy.
3 times 2.
76. Oh, 6.
6xy. Yeah, keep going.
Plus 2x.
Remember, it's 2 times 3.
6xy
So it's another 6xy
plus 4y squared.
plus 4y squared. Okay, these two. 3x times 2x. 6x squared. 3x times minus 4. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's right. 3x times minus 4. Negative 12x. Y times 2xy, or 2x,
2xy
right? And y times minus 4.
negative 4y.
Good. Next is to take out parentheses. There's nothing in front of the first set, which means I can take them all out, or take them out, nothing changes. But here's where you got to be careful. I've got to subtract everything inside the parentheses. So I get minus 6x squared minus 12x. What does that change to? Plus 12x. Minus 2xy, which is just minus 2xy. Minus 4y. Plus 4y. I'm running out of space here. I'll have to go below. Oops. All right, let's collect like terms. What do I get when I combine the x squareds? 3x squared. How about the xy's? Careful, there's 3 of them. 6 plus 6 minus 2. Plus 10xy. Takes care of all these. And, whoops, step back. And if you look, all the rest are different. These are all different. I can't combine any of them, so I just rewrite them. So plus 4y squared, plus 12x, plus 4y. And that is my final answer. Okay? Question or stretching? Okay. Okay.